Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Kendall Jenner was reportedly seen locking lips with Bad Bunny while hanging out with pals Justin Bieber and his wife Hailey Bieber following her breakup from Devin Booker. The supermodel went on a secret date with the Puerto Rican rapper to at the Bird Streets Club, where they were spotted getting intimate, revealed an insider. Speculations about the Kardashians star and the Dial's hitmaker initially began from host and celebrity gossipers when they reported about the sighting with taking names. However, the rumors were fueled after the names of Kendall and Bad Bunny were revealed in a subsequent podcast. This single, famous model sister was seen playing tonsil hockey with Bad Bunny at a private LA club over the weekend, the source stated. I have witnesses on the scene who saw Kendall leave the Bird Streets Club in West Hollywood, the insider added. She left the club and got into her car to leave. 2 minutes later, they pulled Bad Bunny's car around. Another source told The Sun that the rumored new couple was again seen together at Malibu with the Peaches singer and his wife. It seems she was trying to avoid the paps, and he snuck out, the insider said. There weren't many there, and I think one of the photographers didn't realize who he was. I know Kendall, Justin, and Hailey all arrived just before 8 p.m. and left around 9 p.m., with Bad Bunny escaping later on. Thanks for listening, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.